Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable auto translate on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find it helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So first, we will want to go to the TikTok app. And after that, we want to go to the menu where we will be able to go to the settings. So here we need just to click on profile. And after that, we will want to go to the three horizontal line in the top right corner. By clicking on it, we will want to go to settings and privacy. Here we will find it in this pop-up menu. We click on it, and now we want to go to languages. So here we have the account section, we have the contents and display section, and here we will find the language option. By clicking on the language option, we will find always translate posts. And by clicking on the always or show auto translation, so here I'm just going to always translate posts. Also, you can choose where to which language you want to translate it into, and you can also choose the language that you don't want to be translated. And by that, you will be able to have your auto translation that has been enabled, and you will have all your posts that will be auto-translated. So let's just go again. And we want to translate into English. So we want to verify. We will need just to go to some home and we want to see everything. And basically, depends on your own or on the post if there are some audio or anything, and they will be auto-translated to you. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.